Hello people! Today we are gonna unbox two gaming chairs. So the first one is the Todak Premium. As you can see, it's in this very nice black box. And this one is cost around 1,449 ringgit. And then the second one, we have the standard Todak Alpha, which costs around 980 ringgit. So since we have these two, and I am a girl who has no strength at all, I shall summon Rory to help me to, fix this thing. Hi. Oh, he's prepared with gloves. So let's get started with the Todak Alpha first, I guess. So shall we?
Jom.
Jom. Okay, so we are gonna unbox this first, the Todak Alpha, which is the standard one among the two. And the one we have here comes in yellow. So I wonder how it's gonna look like. Wow. So wow, it's in yellow. The legs. So I see handles. Ooh, it looks very nice. It's a bit heavy. It's a bit heavy.
Scissors don't use.
What's the scissors? Oh. Smells like new car. Smells like new car. I was actually expecting it was all yellow.
Yeah.
But then turns out it's very nice. Okay, what we have here. This is like the level, right? We have this. Is this a level? What is this called? We have no idea. What this does is that, if you're too short, you can go up. Okay, I don't know what's this lah. I call it the level. What are these?
It's the thing for the pipe. The middle.
Oh, okay. Or the wheels. 5 wheels. Okay.
Oh, they give gloves also.
You can change your gloves. Oh, it's not like the plastic gloves also. It's like cotton.
Oh, that one for you to wear.
Wow, macam serious already. Then last but not least, we have the seat. The super heavy one. Let me just get this out of the way. We need manuals this time. So step 1, put the backrest and seat together. The backrest. The backrest. What did I call it just now?
The thing.
The thing, okay. You see, so this tool is supposed to be aligned with this hole and this hole. So we are trying to fit it in.
Oh, I think.
Oh my god!
Hey!
Okay, so we actually need to take this out first before we put it in. So later we can just screw it from here instead of just jabbing in. Oh my god. Okay, we got it in. So now all we have to do is to screw it in. Okay, the screws are in.
I'm gonna tighten it. Wow! This also got screw. Phillips head. Allen key.
Oh, so useful.
Wait. There's a small problem.
Yes. Oh my god, what?
Where is it? One of the washers is missing.
Did we drop it somehow? Can we just flick this one more time?
Nope, nothing really.
It's okay.
Life isn't perfect. So tomorrow we continue?
Okay, bye. That's all for today. We will see you next time. No, joking.
Alright, what's the next step?
Install the recliner covers.
Oh.
Covers. There, yep.
Okay, you take one side.
Okay. Attach the lower snap button first. Lock the screw into the hole on the recliner cover and then attach the screw over on it.
Oh, this thing.
Yep. So now the next step is that we have to use this recliner. Then we just have to attach it here. Then we use the screw right over here. Then we just need to secure it with a screwdriver. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay. Then I think that's about it. Step 4. Install the mechanism. Use the bolts to lock the mechanism and seat together and make sure the bolts are screwed in tight. That's called the mechanism. It's not the lever thingy. Thingy. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. The head is supposed to face the seat, which, yeah,
Right.
like that, yeah.
Take out this thing first. Oh, it's so tight. No. Release it.
Yeah. Whoop. Okay, so let's put this screw in. Okay, done. Next, we gotta attach the wheel. So these are the wheels. So now we are gonna attach the wheels
To this thing.
to this thing. This starfish looking thing. Okay. I can do this. Okay, one down. Why? How?
Yes!
I look like a lion now with my hair. Let me tie up my hair. This is getting serious. Oh my god, we have one more chair. Install the gas spring,
Gas spring.
which is the
Push it up,
this way up.
Like that,
Yeah,
That means this one is like that, is it?
yeah.
I'm ready.
Star Wars Ray. Don't get confused.
Oh yeah, not there.
I think we better put it here first. Like
Oh, put
start
it
from
first.
here. Yeah, start from here. It's attached.
Just push it in here. You need to screw.
Nope. Terbalik ni. Yeah. Is it okay? Is it stable? Is it good?
I think so.
And try and use the mechanism thingy. Try and pull up. Oh! Is this adjustable? Oh, so I think you can pull up and down, but not inwards and outwards, and you cannot like move this thing, right?
For that, we need the premium one.
Second set of workout. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. This is the Todak Premium time. Oh yeah. Ah. Wow, this one nicely wrapped one like oranges like that. Yeah. Now the one is black. Oh, now it's metal.
Shiny.
The back seat. Oh, this one writes Todak. And then just now that one is just a swordfish, right? Yep.
So that's a swordfish.
No, I mean the words. There's words here, then that one is like the logo only.
Oh yeah.
Then we have the back support. And that one doesn't have it. Then, let's take this out. Oh! We have another pillow. Headrest. Oh, we have two headrests.
Wow, this chair has two,
Wow.
but that one only has one.
Yeah. Wait, that one got headrest?
Hey, that one has none.
Yeah. Then, we have
Recliner
recliner.
cover.
Recliner cover. The spring cover. We have 5 wheels. And then we have gloves and some screws. And the Allen/Philip key thingy. Then we have the mechanism. Oh, this is bigger than the previous one. What else we have? The seat. Strongman, strongman, strongman.
Yep.
Wow, damn heavy way. Okay, we know how to do this already.
So we don't look at the menu, huh?
No, okay.
Don't look at the menu. Huh?
No manual.
Step 1.
Step 1. Remember to take out the screw. So we do the same thing, putting these screws inside the holes. And we just screw, screw, screw. Wow, second step already. The same thing, the recliner cover, then the screw. We just gotta screw it in, then we're done for this step. Find the right hole. Ah, yes. Yeah! Oh, we are getting Pretty good. Now,
Not done yet.
attach the mechanism.
Mechanism. Okay.
Detach this thing.
Okay.
Just screw in the mechanism. Screw, 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 screw. Is this like your first time doing this?
A chair?
Yeah,
Yeah.
a gaming chair.
Sit on like one of those like old office chairs.
Oh, it's already pre-attached.
Pre-attached and very comfy.
That's why you need Todak.
It's like you have nice leather, backrest, lumbar support.
Okay, what's next? What's next? What's next? I can remember.
Wheels.
Yeah.
Your favorite?
No. Wow, this one very solid way.
Oh, you hear that hint?
Oh, ayo, what you do? Wait, what? Yeah, it's very different from the first one,
Oh, is it?
right? I'm not wrong, right? Yeah, it's different. It's very different. Not again. How do you? Wait, how? What?
I win!
What?
Finally.
Wait, let me do this. Let me do this. Let me do this. Let me do this.
Yeah.
So rush, go where? Okay, wait, this. That's it, right? We're not missing anything, right? Okay. Last. Okay, let's just. Okay. Wah! Okay, got it. Yep.
Is that correct?
Yep. It's in, but you need to sit. Wow, smooth like butter. Okay, the back.
Put a lot of faith in our engineering.
I trust us, okay?
No, you trust Todak.
Okay, I guess we are done. Aside from our clumsiness, I think it's pretty easy lah. We're just having a hard time fixing it because we are not really good at it.
Easier than IKEA.
Easier than IKEA. Definitely way more easier than IKEA. Okay, but I had fun assembling this chair with Rory. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's check out the differences between these two chairs. First, obviously it's the color. I think this one has more variants you can choose. There's like red, black, blue, pink. I think that's pink. That's pink, right? Yeah, that's pink. So I think this is much more like feminine looking compared to this. This one is like hardcore gaming. You want to spend a lot of money on gaming, that one lah. But this one is like 980 bucks and you get quite a decent chair. As you can see, the headrest, you get two headrests on this. This one is like the inbuilt headrest. But I think it's okay lah for the price you're paying. And then this one has the lumbar support. And also this one allows you to, let's demonstrate this. This one allows you to like go up and down, left and right, more versatility compared to this one. This one is just up and down. But this one, you can go like up, down, left, right, in, twist out. You can dance on this one, okay? But other than that, I think they are pretty much similar. The height, this is taller.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay for me. How much is it?
How much is it? Which one? This one?
This one?
I'll repeat one more time. This is 1449 and this is 980. So the difference is like
About 500?
about 500. Actually, it's not much lah.
Yeah.
But you get more things for this. More versatility, like more headrest. Then you have the lumbar support. But this one, even though it doesn't have a lumbar support, you see there's an arch here. So it's like a built-in lumbar support. Like this, built-in headrest.
And this one got colour.
This one got colour lah. You know, you want pink, you can go for pink. You want the blue, you can go for blue. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. That's our unboxing and first impression, I guess. Right. So thank you guys so much for watching. And we will see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye. Struck by a smooth criminal.
Hi, Cortana!
Can you mute it for me, please?
This one is back.